Hello and welcome to the UltraCare Pro User Guide series. These are an exclusive series of videos created just for you so that you can take better care of your health. UltraCare Pro is on the mission to improve your quality of life by creating innovative pain management devices. And that's why they have come up with some unique products that would be helpful for you to deal with your aches and pains that you experience in your day-to-day life. And with the same intent, we have created this video series. So make sure to subscribe to this channel and press that bell icon so that you can get notified every single time we upload a new video. In today's video, I'm going to share with you some of the exercises that would be helpful to deal with your hand muscle pains. Hand muscles are responsible for the functions of our daily life that incorporates the use of your elbow, wrist, fingers, etc. Many conditions like tennis elbow, golfer's elbow, carpal tunnel syndrome, some peripheral joint issues leads to difficulty in doing hand movements as the muscles gets impacted. So these exercises would be helpful for dealing with these problems. So make sure to watch this video till the end.
First exercise to start with is free hand range of motion exercise. For this, you move your hand in circular motion. After that, move your hand to and fro. You can do this for 10 to 15 repetitions. Next exercise is free finger movements. For this, keep your hands rested and then freely bring your fingers together and open the hand. Followed by this, you can make a gentle fist and then open your hands. Perform these exercises 10 repetitions each for both the movements. Next exercise is a wrist stretch. For this, keep your hand supported and then bend your wrist downward with the help of other hand. Hold this position for 10 counts for 5 repetitions. For the next exercise, keep your hands facing towards the floor and then bend your wrist with the help of other hand. Hold this stretch for 10 seconds and then relax, and you can do the stretch for 5 repetitions. After this, you need to stretch your fingers with the help of other hand. Hold the stretched position for 10 seconds and then relax, and do this stretching for almost all the fingers. Make sure that whenever you are doing finger stretching, your hand is well supported. Now is the turn of finger flexion exercise. For this, you need to support your hand completely at the palm level and then allow the fingers to move up and down. Do this for 10 repetitions. After the stretches, now it's time to do wrist strengthening exercise. For this, take the help of a water bottle that is filled with water and then try to raise your wrist up and down for 10 repetitions. Similarly, do wrist flexion exercise by keeping your hands facing towards the ceiling. And the third exercise in the strengthening group is wrist circular motion. You need to take the help of water bottle and rotate your wrist in clockwise as well as anti-clockwise direction. And the last exercise is hand rotation. For this, again keep your hands placed well supported and then rotate your hand to and fro for 10 repetitions.
So friends, these were some of the simple and easy hand exercises that would be helpful to reduce the pain in your hand. Also would be helpful to improve the strength of your hand muscles. I hope you found this video helpful. If yes, make sure to like this video, share this video with your friends and family members, and do not forget to subscribe to UltraCare Pro channel. Thank you.